Organizing. Organizing is the function of management which follows planning. It is a function in which the synchronization and combination of human, physical and financial resources takes place. All the three resources are important to get results. Therefore, organizational function helps in achievement of results, which in fact is important for the functioning of a concern. The concept of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship, for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives. The nature of organizing. The nature of organizing involves assigning tasks, grouping tasks into departments, delegating authority, and allocating resources across the organization. Organizing is highly complex and often involves a systematic review of human resources, finances and priorities. Principles of organizing. The arrangements of resources in an organizing system follow or embody one or more organizing principles that enable the organizing system to achieve its purposes. Organizing principles are directives for the design or arrangement of a collection of resources that are ideally expressed in a way that does not assume any particular implementation or realization. Organizing principles can be listed as 1. Scalar principle. 2. Principle of flexibility. 3. Principle of authority. 4. Principle of delegation. 5. Principle of unity of command. 6. Principle of the span of control. 7. Principle of unity of objectives. 8. Principle of efficiency. 9. Principle of a division of works. 10. Principle of unity of direction. 11. Principle of simplicity. 12. Principle of responsibility. 13. Principle of balance. 14. Principle of specialization. Span of control principle explained. Span of management, also known as span of control, refers to the number of people a manager directly manages. In a wider span of control, a manager has many subordinates who report to him. In a narrow span of control, a manager has fewer subordinates under him, as mentioned in flowchart on right side. Manager A and Manager B report to the CEO. Subordinate A and B report to Manager A. And subordinate C reports to Manager B. Departmentation. Departmentation is the foundation of organization structure. Departmentation means division of work into smaller units and their regrouping into bigger units, departments, on the basis of similarity of features. Each department is headed by a person known as departmental manager. Refer example flowchart on right side. Different departments are categorized as sales department, finance department, service department. All these department head will be reporting to MD or CEO. Line and staff organization. Line staff organization, in management, approach in which authorities like managers establish goals and directives that are then fulfilled by staff and other workers. A line staff organizational structure attempts to render a large and complex enterprise more flexible without sacrificing managerial authority. You can see the hierarchy on right side. Sales head and finance head reporting to MD. Sales managers reporting to sales head. Finance manager reporting to finance head. Similarly, production managers reporting to production head, etc. Authority relationships. Authority, according to Fayol, is the principle that managers have the right to give orders with the expectation of obedience. The process of delegation begins when managers passes some OFH's responsibility to his subordinates, which means responsibility can be delegated. Chart on right side shows the hierarchy. Centralized authority. As shown in the flowchart, MD heads the different departments and every decisions irrespective of departments. MD takes the final decisions, like sales, service, finance, production, etc. Decentralized authority. As shown in the figure, MD heads all the regions. However, individual regional heads are given certain authority to take decisions. Under each region heads all the functional heads to report. Delegation of authority. Delegation of authority means division of authority and powers downwards to the subordinate. As shown in the figure, delegation is about entrusting someone else to do parts of your job. Delegation of authority can be defined as subdivision and sub-allocation of powers to the subordinates in order to achieve effective results. Committees. A committee organization is an association of people set up to arrive at solutions to common problems. The line people are given opportunities to discuss their problems in the committee. The committee organizational structure is not like line or functional organization, but is similar to staff organization.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.